Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fill or mirror a text box using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now click on this home option already selected and here you will find this edit text option and click this down arrow. Now select text and click on this text box you want to fill it and select. Now press mouse cursor right button and here you will find this arrange option and this is flip horizontal, see this, and also I'll fill in this text box, select arrange, this is vertical, see this. In this you can fill it horizontally or vertically your text boxes easily. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.